We had some pretty epic plans for this past 4-day weekend, but they all fell through when Maggie had to work. Canceled hotel reservations, missed concerts. Hi, I need to cancel a reservation that I have for tonight. So what do you do when an old friend calls and asks if you want to drive 9 hours round trip to hang out and climb some rocks? You start driving. Arrive near midnight. Grab the crash pads and start walking. Find some routes to get warmed up. Have a drink. Have 2 drinks. Watch out for the scorpions hiding right where you're climbing. Spend too much time taking photos with the stars. Wake up and see the park in the daylight for the first time. Careful on that rock. Grab the crash pads again.
I'm climbing a outdoor rock, and it's called Turtle Rock. I don't know much else about it, but it seems like it has nice positive features.
What's it rated?
This one right here is a V1 V0.
Climb a route that you thought was completely above your skill level.
It feels so nice sitting right here.
Nice. With your leg.
There you go.
Nice.
You feel that?
Yeah. Nice. Get your feet up. You got it.
Hands are sweaty. Yeah.
Employ some alternative climbing techniques. I guess the message of this video is to always be flexible. There's always an adventure out there if you're willing to say yes.